Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a parallel parking video. So here I'm just driving up to align the car. So this is the first thing you do when you parallel parking, and it's a very important step. If you don't align the car right, like if you completely off, it's gonna be real hard to park it. All right, so you want to align the back bumpers or the side mirrors. So here's the inside view. So try to align the back bumpers or the side mirrors if it's the same size car. So now put the car in reverse and turn the wheel to the right, one full turn to the right, like this. And now you want to look, check before you move and start reversing. So you just want to control the brake. So while you're reversing, you want to make sure you're looking back and you're checking this side mirror right here on the right. So you want to be looking at the curb until you reach this point right here where it looked like a V shape. And in the mirror, it looked like the curb is like blocked off, like you can't see anymore. So this is the outside view on how it look. From the outside, you have a lot of space, but in the mirror, you actually look like you about to hit the curb. Like, you get what I'm saying? So this is the outside view. So boom. So now I'm about to turn the wheel all the way left. This is just another view so you can see how I look in the mirror. So now I'm gonna turn the wheel all the way left. Boom. And now I'm gonna hold it like that and I'm gonna reverse into the spot. So while you're reversing, you're looking back, you're checking the mirror as well. So you just want to make sure you're not hitting the curb. Because sometimes if you go too far back, you could actually hit the curb. So yeah, I'm just checking it. I had to stop at a certain point and then drive up again. So here's the outside view. Look. I don't actually hit it, but I get close to where you don't want to back up anymore. So you just go ahead, drive up straight and straighten the wheels. So now I'm gonna straighten the wheels and then I'm gonna drive up. So you want to keep like about, you don't want to be too far from the curb, but you don't want to be too close either. So this is how it look from the outside. If you're new, hit that like, comment, subscribe button, and comment out what type of videos you want to see.